In this video, we will show how to replace reagents and reaction cuvettes while the analyzer is running tests. While running tests, it can happen that the analyzer runs out of usable reaction cuvettes. This will be indicated by the red blinking of the cuvette replacement button. To proceed with the programmed measurements, it is necessary to replace the used reaction cuvette segments on the cuvette rotor with new ones. To do so, the analyzer automatically goes into pause. Wait until the status changes from pause requested to paused, as the analyzer might still move the sample probe to process pipettings for measurements which were already initiated. Once paused is indicated in the status bar and all readings have been finished, press the cuvette replacement button. If no error message is indicated, select segment number 1 and press replace. The system will now turn the rotor on position 1 underneath the fast access cover. Open the cover and take out the used segment and place a new cuvette segment on the rotor. Press OK to confirm the new segment has been placed. The optical system will now verify the 24 new cuvettes of this segment one by one, and each cuvette on the schematic view is color-coded. Green means that the cuvette is approved for use. Red means that the cuvette is not usable due to scratches or dirty windows. And blue means the cuvette is in use during testing. Continue replacing segment 2, 3 and 4 as shown before to obtain a total of 96 usable cuvettes. Discard all single-use cuvettes. Only when a new lot of reaction cuvettes is used, press the cuvette Auto Zero button to launch the Auto Zero procedure. After replacing the used segments, press OK and launch the remaining tests by pressing Start. When more tests are programmed than the available amount of reagent volume, it can happen that the analyzer runs out of reagent. This will be indicated by the message reagent empty in the work list, and in the monitor menu, bottle empty will be indicated. If tests for other methods which do not require this reagent are programmed, the analyzer will continue to execute these requests. To guarantee the most efficient continuity of the measurements, it is advised to refill the empty reagent container now. To do so, press the pause button in the taskbar. The status will change from running to pause requested. Wait until the status changes from pause requested to paused, as the analyzer is still pipetting reagents for other measurements which were already initiated. When paused appears in the status bar, navigate to the Reagents menu and locate the empty container. It can be identified as the available volume is 0 milliliters. If the same lot of reagent is still available, refill the bottle by pouring reagent in it. If a different lot of reagent is available, first rinse the reagent bottle and dry it before pouring new reagent in it. After refilling the reagent bottle, place it back in the corresponding position on the reagent plate. Make sure this position matches the position indicated in the software. Now click once on the refill bottle and press Start. The sample probe will automatically verify the available volume and reschedule the suspended tests which require this reagent in the work list.